Friend,
Yeah. Alright, we here at Britain property. He for somebody got a car, gonna tow it out. This how it was. I had to take this board down. That's what we doing. Alright, y'all. What we got? Spooky house. Britain owner. Spooky ass house. Just move that up out of there. We're gonna grab this little couch right here. We're gonna grab that little couch right there. I mean chair, whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Why this ain't staying open? I'm gonna have to put something over here. Get that over. Okay. Sorry about that, y'all. But yeah. Yeah, that's what we doing. First stuff out there, let's go. We almost got it. Front row, try to clear it out. Let's get this shit going. Alright, it's just front row.
Thank you, my boy. I appreciate you showing up for me, man. Appreciate you checking me out.
Ain't no problem, man. Alright, now this what these people. It was more stuff up here, but we gonna cut through all this crap. That we gonna do. Hold on, why it's in here? That's the kitchen area.
You're gonna remove the surface, right?
Oh man. Okay, let me get on through here real quick. Alright, this is a bathroom right here. What, 2 bathrooms in here? That's a bathroom right here. Yep, that's a bathroom right there. You know that, Brittany?
Yeah, so it.
Bedroom.
We got 2 bedrooms.
Yeah. Man, what the hell kind of house is this, man? Man, dude had so many cabinets with so many stuff. The stuff's so heavy you almost can't pick it up. We got a lot of bags outside. Man, that's a lot of shit in here.
A lot of bowls.
Yeah, yeah, a lot of balls. Look, you think I'm joking? Hold on, we're gonna go in. There's in here, and there's another bathroom in there. Hold on. Oh, that's a bedroom. Man, there's 2 rooms over here, dog. Brittany, there's 2 rooms over here, man.
Oh,
yeah? Yep, 2. And this closet, ooh, wee. Yeah, we gonna have some problems. So there's 2 rooms right there. There's 3 rooms right here.
Yeah, Bath, that was a 3-bedroom.
Yeah, that's what she said.
She said like one bath, but they got 2 bathrooms.
Yeah, that's bathroom right here. It's a half bath or whatever the hell it is. It's a bathroom. Well, this is what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Alright, nighttime. It's about 8 o'clock. Look, pitch black outside. Can't see nothing. But hey, in that house, we got light. We got light. Yeah. We got light, baby. That's what we doing. Can it clear it out? What's gone? Let's do this thing. These folks got a lantern that you light with what you call it? Kerosene? Yeah, kerosene lantern. So I don't know if somebody want it, but hey. Hey y'all, what y'all think of this? Look, we in this house, right? You guys picture downtown, all that. But look, what kind of phone is that? What kind of phone is that? Man, these folks got stuff so old in here. The folks have the Delta sink that still ain't been open yet. Look, watch this, y'all. Damn, that motherfucker don't swim back. Damn. They gonna call motherfucking Jesus. Alright, y'all. It's 12:45 and 11:45 at night. We got a lot of stuff on here. You can't see it all, but see, it's like we got lights on in the house. Look like it, but we don't. Okay, you can't see now, so it's dark. Check me out. I'm going in here. See, they got their lights on. We in the dark back here. So bear with me for a minute. We walking in the dark. Walking in the dark. Here I come. Here I come. See, jungle. Okay, going in. Going in the house. Okay, we got lights. Okay. We can clear out this room right here. See, room, clear it out. Closet. Oh, I gotta get my raid. I gotta get that. Oh, we gotta get these two. We gotta get these last. Is that bag full?
No.
If it ain't full. Okay, that's the hallway. See right there, that's the damage. That's where all the damage is right here. See, got roof damage. Oh, fine, that's some more stuff. Yep, water damage there. But that's the bedroom again. See, it is crazy. They got two ways you can go to the bedroom. You know that?
Huh?
It's crazy. You got two ways to go to the bedroom. That way and this way.
Yeah.
They probably shouldn't have had this way.
Nah.
Yeah. In there. I ain't worried about that right now. And this what we get, okay? This what we all get in there. We got oil lamps. 1 oil lamp, 2 oil lamp, 3 oil lamp, 4, 5, 6. We had oxygen. I don't know. We selling oxygen, I guess. I don't know. We had telephones. The old telephone. Call me up.
1900.
Yeah, 1900s. We here doing thing. Me, Brit. See, it's late. It's late as hell. Alright, we have to be up out of here. Gotta be up out of here. Yeah, better get on up out of here. It's late. It's about to be 12 at night. Pitch black, so you can't say we ain't working. Alright, one more video. Man, why so many fucking cabinets, man? Look at all these cabinets, man. There's a lot of fucking cabinets. This cabinet's over there, cabinets down here, cabinets up there. The cabinet's so deep, but they go into corners. Look, hold on. Cabinet going to corners over there. Man, all these cabinets. Hold on, bag up. Cabinets here, cabinets there, cabinets down there, and all over pack. Man, too many cabinets, dog. Just too many. Like, it's just ridiculous. I don't know what he was doing or she was doing, whatever. But oh yeah, this right here cool as hell. Look at those binoculars. I don't know what years that is. Oh, flip the show. Right there, right there. All that binoculars, you know. You see it? Yeah. But yeah, work to do. But man, fuck that shit. Yeah. Oh. Back down here. Leaving the house. Nighttime.